I'm going to talk about letting go. What do you have expected from your life? तुम अपनी life से चाहते क्या हो? So let's just talk about real things here. If he or she don't wants to live with you, then just sit silently and think in your mind. If someone else do not wants to keep you in their life, then why you want it? They're not giving any values. They're not giving any time to you. Why you are expecting from them? Talk with them. You need to learn something new. And letting go is an art that you need to learn. You need to transform yourself. I'm going to talk about letting go. I was just reading a book, The Art of Letting Go. I just get something very deep, which is literally very deep. Like in that book, it was written that when you do not feel like you cannot let go, then think in your mind that is this the person who is going to change you? If not, then leave that. Like what you have expected from your life. तुम अपनी लाइफ से चाहते क्या हो? क्या कभी भी सोचा हो तुमने? So let's just talk about real things here, because there are some people who do not feels like letting go, or who do not want to let go anyone from their life, because I am the person standing here, which was initially I was like having many friends. I just assumed that everyone is my friend, but it's not like that. I get to know everything. I observe myself more than the others. I observe others, but comparatively them, I observe myself more. Besides this, I would like to say that अगर तुम किसी को छोड़ नहीं पा रहे हो, instead that is the true person, then also you are not able to let go them, then तुम क्या चाहते हो अपनी लाइफ से पहले वो डिसाइड करो. If he or she don't wants to live with you, then just sit silently and think in your mind that if someone else do not wants to keep you in their life, then why you want it? You don't get it? I am saying that if someone else do not wants to keep you in their life, then why you want them in your life? They're not giving any values. They're not giving any time to you. Why you are expecting from them? Letting go and expecting go hand in hand. When I was studying a book, I get to know you want to let go, but you are not able to, because maybe that was the closest person that you have in your life. So what you have to do is talk with them, take out some solutions. If not possible, give your mind a track that there are many people who is going to be the best from him or her. Here I want to tell you that if you are not going to do let go, then your life will be destroyed. It will be demolished. You need to be sturdy, otherwise you will be called as the weakest person ever on this earth, and you're not required on this earth. If not, because you need to learn something new, and letting go is an art that you need to learn. I was talking about let go. There are some solutions, like you talk with others, either they want to live with you or not. Secondly, you can do one thing, that is to just isolate them. It is tough, but you need to do this if you want to grow. And this is not the only person that you have the last of your life. You will be meeting with new people, with new person who will be very talented, and you need to learn these kind of things, because your life is too vast. And if you're stuck with one person, then what will you do with the other? If you met 1,000 people and you want to stick with those 1,000 people for a lifetime, then it is not possible. What about others? What they think about you? If someone don't want to be in your life, then why you are just touching them that yeah, you be in my life? You just let go. Just keep them smiling. You need to transform yourself. Changes are required, because you need to learn many things from your life. If you are in teens or you are in 20s, then you have to learn these things and there are more things you should learn. These are the kind of experiences that you can have in your life. With this, you are becoming more knowledgeable about people, and you are learning more and more day by day. And please surround by good and worthy people from whom you can learn new things day by day. That's it for today. We'll meet next time.